In this video, we're going to look at how to hide grid lines in all of the worksheets in an Excel workbook at once. I'll provide you with 3 ways that you can hide grid lines in all of the worksheets at once. In this example, we have 3 worksheets called Data 1, Data 2, and Data 3. And what we want to do here is to hide the grid lines in all of these worksheets at once. The first thing that we're going to need to do here is to select all of the worksheets in an Excel workbook. The way we can do this quickly is by having the first worksheet selected, then hold down the Shift key and select the last worksheet in the workbook. With the first method, go to the View tab and uncheck the Grid Lines checkbox in the Show group. This will immediately hide the grid lines in all of the selected worksheets. We could go ahead and check each of these worksheets to make sure that the grid lines have been hidden, which they clearly have. Let's go ahead and reselect all of these worksheets and display the grid lines by checking the Grid Lines checkbox. With the second method, go to the Page Layout tab and uncheck the View checkbox under the Grid Lines heading in the Sheet Options group. This will again hide the grid lines in all of the selected worksheets. And again, let's go through each of these worksheets to make sure that the grid lines have been hidden, which they clearly have. Let's reselect these worksheets again and display the grid lines. With the third method, go to the File tab and go all the way down to Options and click on that. This will display an Excel Options dialog box. In there, select the Advanced option, and on the right, scroll down until you get to the Display Options for this worksheet heading. Under there, uncheck the Show Grid Lines checkbox and click the OK button. This has again hidden the grid lines in all of the selected worksheets. And again, let's go through each of these worksheets to make sure that the grid lines have been hidden, which they clearly have. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.